Today, we'll be making a healthy chia and oat whole wheat bread. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. For this recipe, we'll need to make a bread starter. If you've seen my other bread videos, you're quite familiar with this. To a pot, add in bread flour and water. Give it a good mix. Over medium heat, we'll cook and continuously stir until this mixture thickens. Once it thickens and you can see lines like this, remove from heat. Make sure it cools completely. Now we can begin. Today I'm using a bread machine, but you can use a stand mixer. Add in milk, our bread starter that we just cooled, coconut oil, bread flour, whole wheat flour, rolled oats, chia seeds, sugar, salt, and lastly, instant yeast. Over to the bread machine or stand mixer, let this knead for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of kneading, it should form into a ball. We'll let this rest for 1 hour to proof. After an hour, we can see that it's doubled in size. Take it out and we'll flatten this dough to remove any excess air. Divide the dough into 3 pieces. And again, we'll flatten the dough and shape it into a ball. Repeat for each piece. Remember to grease your pan and then place each dough inside. Now cover and we'll let this rest for another 45 to 60 minutes. After its second rise, we can now add on egg wash. Top with additional oats and chia seeds for a beautiful finish. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes. Once cooled, you can slice your bread, and there you have it, a delicious chia and oat whole wheat bread. Enjoy!